Hi, my name is Sharon Bond. I'm with Dame Mass Dance, a studio located in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's video, we will be doing a slightly complicated, syncopated Bachata Shine step. Today's Bachata Shine step is a little bit complicated. It involves some taps followed by steps, so there's a lot of syncopation in this step. And with me facing the camera, I will do the lead timing, so this will be my left, and I will start on my left on count 1. So I'll first do a side to side basic before I go into the step. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Now the step, the shine step, we're going to tap in front, 1, 2, then step, and 3. So again, 1, 2, and 3. Then after that, we're going to take this foot and tap 4, 4, and 5. So we're stepped and then we stepped on 5. So we stepped 4 and then on 5. Now on 5 with our right leg, we're going to tap behind 6 and to step, then take the foot that's in front, 7, then cross behind 8 and then we start the basic again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So let me do that slow and more fluid. Okay, so we go tap 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So doing the shine on the right leg, you'd be starting on count 5. So I'm going to step out on 5, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so same exact move, but we're starting on 5 instead of on 1. So let me do that together, but I will put in 1.5 basics in between the two sides. So we'll just start off with the basic. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do it from this side. So starting with my left, we'll do a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's with some basics in between, but you can do it even closer together if you wanted to. And I'll turn around and demonstrate that. So we'll start off with the basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can slow down this YouTube video to see it even at a slower pace, but keep practicing and you'll be able to get it no problem. So let's put those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that video on this Bachata Chine step. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at damimassdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Damimass Dance Studio and on Instagram at Damimass Dance. Thanks for watching.